Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of AI right from your own machine. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run AI models locally using Ollama. Whether you are a developer looking to experiment with cutting-edge technology or simply curious about the magic behind AI, you are in the right place. We'll cover how to install Ollama, download models, and run them with just a few commands. By the end of this video, you'll have your own local AI assistant up and running, fast, private, and totally under your control. So sit back, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and let's get started on this hands-on journey into local AI with Ollama. So first thing first, we need to install Ollama. Open your browser and type in ollama.com, then you will direct to the Ollama website where you can download the Ollama application and also the models. So you can go to the download page, and from there we can choose which kind of download package we want to install. So click on the download, and here based on your OS you can choose either Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. For this tutorial, I'm going to choose Windows and click on download. Once download is finished, you can run the installation by running the Ollama setup to install Ollama on your computer. So the installation is very easy. You just click on the install. There is no settings here or questions, and Ollama will be installed on your PC or your laptop. Great. Installation is finished. Now we can run Ollama by opening a terminal window. And here, if you type in Ollama, if everything went well, you can see the Ollama command prompt here, in which you can write different commands and get a result. So for example, we can say Ollama list, and it shows you the list of models that you have on your local machine. But for now, we don't have any models, so let's go back to the Ollama website, go to the models. As you can see here, there are lots of different models available here, and each model has different versions based on the amount of parameters. For example, we can choose LLaMA 3.2, and it has 3 billion parameters with 2 GB size. This model also has the 1 billion parameter with lower size, 1.3 GB. I'm gonna download this one. To download this one and run it, you can copy the command here, Ollama run LLaMA 3.2, and run it on your terminal window. Let's go back to the terminal and run the command here. It pulls the model on your local machine, and then after that model immediately will be ready to use. Let's give it a start by asking, for example, what is DevOps, to see what model will react to this question. Okay, model is downloaded and it's ready. So let's ask a question. What is DevOps? Interesting. It is generating the answer here, as you can see, and this is all working from local. But in order to show you this is really working locally, I'm gonna also to disable the networking after this generation is finished. So okay, I'm gonna open the network connections, And from here, I'm going to disable the network connection I have. So there is no internet connection to the outside. And as you can see here, no internet access. Now I'm going to ask another questions. For example, something about running a Python code inside a Docker, if model can help me with that. As you can see, immediately I got answer from the model, so it's working perfectly locally without having any access to outside or internet. So this was the LLaMA 3.2 model that we pulled into the local. What about the other models? I'm going to show you in a second how you can download any other models simply as we did with the LLaMA 3.2. The process is the same. So you can just go back to the Ollama website and choose another model and run it in your local machine. So let's go back to the Ollama website, go to the models. As you can see, I don't have any internet connection. Let's enable the internet connection. And now I can go back to the website. And now, for example, we can choose DeepSeek, which is quite popular these days, and it has a lot of different parameters. I choose the 1.5 billion parameter, which is the low weight, 1.1 gigabyte. So copy the command, and the same as what we did for the LLaMA 3.2, it's the same for the DeepSeek. So you just run it. It's similar as the way you were doing it with the Docker images. As simple as that, and you don't need to know a lot about the technical aspect of that. Easily run your local machine here. So I'm going to ask you questions about the networking. For example, what is the hub and spoke networking model? It's a little bit related to the architecture side, but doesn't matter, just to see how model reacts. It's quite interesting because the way model reacts to this question, it's different from the way LLaMA usually answer or ChatGPT. It's also interesting to compare between these models, how they are generating the questions. By the way, you can also change this way by creating the different system prompt for your model to ask the model how to answer, how to format your answers when you ask questions from the model. So this is what we wanted to see, how easy to install a model on your local machine and without having any extra application, cloud, API, or anything else. You can easily run the AI models on your local machine and start testing with the generative AI models. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can connect these models to other applications and start creating more sophisticated application. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.